In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to create flashcards using NotebookLM. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once you're on NotebookLM, you simply need to select Create New. We'll be greeted with this window where we will choose a source of information to create our flashcards. For this, we have a variety of different options. Starting off at the top, we can search the web for information. To test this, I'm simply going to type full process of photosynthesis. Then we can choose between fast research, which as the name suggests, will do a quick web search for your prompt, whereas if we choose deep research, this will do a more in-depth search. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose fast research, then press enter. As you can see on the right, it is showing researching websites. It has now come back with a variety of different web sources, so if I click 7 more sources, we can see the full list. Now on the right of each source, if we click the arrow, it will take us to that website. Also on the right of each source, there is a checkbox which allows us to remove certain sources by unchecking the box. Once we're happy, we can click import, then all that information will get imported into the notebook on the right. Now to test all the other ways of adding information sources, I can click add sources in the top left. At the bottom, we have the option to upload files. This can include Word documents, spreadsheets, PDFs and much more. Next to that, we can use YouTube videos or certain websites as a source. I'm going to select this. Then in this box, all we have to do is paste the links we want to use as a source. So I'm going to paste this YouTube video link, then press insert. As you can see on the left, that YouTube video has been added to the list of sources. The next option is uploading files from your Google Drive. If we click copy text next to that, we have the option to paste information which we would like to use as a source. Then we can click insert. Once you have all your sources added, we can move on to creating the flashcards. I'm simply going to click flashcards on the right. As you can see at the bottom, it is saying generating flashcards. I'll be back once this is complete. NotebookLM has now finished creating my flashcards and has titled it Photosynthesis Flashcards. So if I click this, we can view them. We can scroll through these by clicking the arrow on the left and right. If we click on each card, it will reveal the answer. On the answer side, if we click explain, it will provide a deeper explanation on the left. At the bottom, we can see the number of cards that have been generated. So for this, we have 74. To the right of that, we have a download button. If we click this, it will download a spreadsheet with all the questions on the left and the answers on the right. This can be useful if you want to create these as flashcards on something like Anki. That's all we have for this video on creating flashcards with NotebookLM. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.